Hi, I'm about to record myself making a face mask. This is what it's gonna look like when I'm done. And it's very simple. What you will need. Now, some people say that you need, this is the one I used, the 1200 Elite filter 3M. Now, this covers, if it's not highlighted right there, then it's not gonna work. So you need the one that covers cough and sneeze. So like if somebody cough or sneeze, you need that to be highlighted. So it doesn't have to be the green pack, but this was all I saw inside Walmart. And the best way to do it is to get you 1 yard of thread. I mean, not thread. 1 yard of these, which is fabric. 1 yard of fabric. Okay. You need a spool of thread. And you can hand make these too if you don't have a sewing machine. 1 yard of fabric, a spool of thread. You need 1 air filter. This is what the filter looked like once I got it out. And I already took it out, took care of all of that. I took the paper from around it because you don't want to wrap the box inside the mask. So the braid elastic. You need the braid elastic, which is the Walmart brand. And this will be for the earpieces. You'll be able to put it over the ears. And you want to cut that about 7 inches. You need a ruler. You need to cut it, the elastic 7.5 to 8 inches. I say 7 inches. You need to cut these 9 by 4. So you'll measure 9 inches long, the length, and the width will be 6 inches, 9 by 6. And this is about the size that it'll look. Okay, 9 inches long. Okay. And 6 inches in width. And if 1 yard of fabric, I've already made 4 of these and I still got enough to make about 15 more. So 1 yard of fabric, right? So I already cut my fabric. I'm about to sew it on sewing machine. Now, you want to leave 1 corner open. It doesn't matter which corner you leave open. I'm going to sew mine and then we'll go on from there. All right. Ooh. Don't forget to let that down. Take it, open it. This is the part that's left open. Here we go. So what you're going to do is place the inside of the cotton. Some people say you can use this cotton. I'm using this material. So you cut it. And just place it inside here. Okay, we're about done. And we're almost done. So this is the side what I left open. And I put I put this in there. You can replace this. This one lasts 3 months. So if you need this mask for 3 months, it could be washed, dried, salt water, air dried, and replaced and still used. Again, now, you replace the filter on your own. So, what we're gonna do is fold down the side, like so, and finish our project. And if you're wondering how long a process like this takes, it only takes you need one per mask. So you're gonna sew these on, and like so. Ouch. Okay. So the next one on, and this is gonna be very quick for you, so you don't have to worry about running out of time, especially for those who are out there, you know, in that nursing field. And when you're using a sewing machine, you want to make sure you put this on the same way on both sides, because the ear will, that part will be flipped backwards if you don't. So, thank you for checking that. And that is very important. Okay, here we go. All right, we got that done. Next ear, and once you get the hang of the first one, you'll be like, okay, I got this. This is so easy. You know, let me make my people want everybody. And that ear is on. Now move to the next ear. And you can, the best part that I like so far about this, it actually feel like a real, the inside of a real mask, because that's what we want. You don't want to be oops, I got on earrings, but it fits perfect. I can breathe, and what you will do is tack those down for those who don't want it in their eye. Thank you for watching, and always follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.